In this video I will show you the perfect way to start your first online business. You probably already know that one of the best ways to make money online is to do affiliate marketing, but for all its advantages, affiliate marketing is not necessarily easy to get started with. It's understandable if you feel overwhelmed and stuck. That's why I want to show you how I can get you unstuck with a proven business that you can clone and own. Here's how your business will work. First, in exchange for their email address, you give your visitors a free book explaining how to take advantage of 8 winning strategies used by the world's top digital marketers. This done-for-you book is white-labeled, meaning it has no author's name on it. Thus you will be viewed as the authority behind the book. Then you will give them a proven funnel for free. This further helps establish your authority as an expert. But a funnel is useless if you don't know how to set it up. So you give them free student access to a course you own that shows them click by click how to set up their new funnel. This course is branded with your picture and your name, and all of the done-for-you video training is done by me, an avatar, not a human. This further sets you up as the sole authority behind the training. With the explicit click-by-click instructions in the video training, there's no guesswork and no floundering around trying to figure things out. Your student just watches a click, pauses the video, copies the click, and moves on until the whole thing is set up. Before long and before they have spent a penny, they will have a fully functioning opt-in funnel that can grow their email list, which will become their chief business asset. Along the way, they will have started free trials for 2 important digital marketing tools. These are ClickFunnels, which they need for their funnel pages from now on, and GetResponse, for sending automated emails to their subscribers. That's a significant accomplishment for no money and not very much time, right? But then they will reach a crossroads. If they still don't want to spend any money, they can just stop their setup and cancel their ClickFunnels and GetResponse subscriptions. But they will be encouraged to keep those subscriptions going, buy their own copy of the course, and set up their own business with it so they can start making money online almost overnight. And with their quick progress and the prospect of earning money online, they are very likely to continue their subscriptions from then on. So to recap, you will earn 100% of the price of the course they buy from you. Plus you will earn monthly affiliate commissions from ClickFunnels and GetResponse, plus there are other affiliate products you will offer them that will help them set up their own successful online business. If you clone and own this one business, you will suddenly open up multiple streams of income. Pretty sweet, right? So let's get started. You just need to go through the process as a student first, then you will have a fully functioning system along with the tools and knowledge to get your own subscribers and students. Click the link below this video or just go to clickbyklickaffiliate.com, and we'll get started right away.